Everything that is good for the body is good for the hair as well, be it fruit or vegetable. It's good for your hair. You will agree with me at the end of this video. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a simple hairspray with our very famous cucumber. So we are going to be using cucumber and few other cooking ingredients. So if you're new to the channel, relax, watch the video to the end and give the video a thumb up if you like it, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other video from me. If you're already a member, if you're already a family, you're welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite baby girl Sylvia Oye, and today we are doing another magic with cucumber being our main ingredient. One thing a lot of people don't really know about cucumber is it facilitates hair growth, and it do it at a very high rate. So imagine you apply cucumber juice to your hair every morning for 7 days. See how much your hair is going to grow. So our next ingredient is going to be ginger, and you know we've been using ginger on this channel for quite a long time now, so I don't have to tell you the benefits of ginger. All I have to tell you, ginger is also another good product that stimulates our hair growth. If you are suffering from hair loss and you've tried all the things, they are not working, I promise you this is your number one stop. This cucumber is very good. You can research on it, it's everywhere on the net, and a lot of people have been using it. It's very good for the hair. The next product we added was rosemary. So if these three products, you know, we have rosemary oil, which is also good for hair growth, and we have ginger spray, which is also very good for hair growth, and we have our cucumber, which stimulates the hair growth at a very high rate. So imagine combining these three things and using it on your hair every morning, or at least twice a week. You're going to say bye to all your baldness, all your hair loss, all those hair shredding. You're going to say bye to them. So try this product and come back to this channel and give me a feedback. This mixture does not only stimulate hair growth, it also takes care of your scalp. It also improves the health of your scalp, and a healthy hair should grow on a healthy scalp. If you have dry hair, then this is also good for you, because cucumber has a lot of moisture, it has a lot of water that can prevent your hair from being dry, and it's also good for split ends. It helps you to avoid split ends. So if you have split ends, or you've been cutting your hair because of split ends, then this is the number one solution for you. Use it and stop cutting your hair and see how much your hair has grown. If your hair is breaking a lot, this is your number one solution. Use it as a conditioner, hot or cold, however you want it, and or use it as a pre-poo. If you're not okay with the cucumber spray as you're seeing in your screen, you can also do the cucumber hair mask. Then you need to peel the cucumber, then use olive oil and egg and mix everything. Just blend it and do a mask out of it and apply it to your hair. But if you cannot do that, I will see if I can do a video on that, but then I think this is okay. So if you want a video on that, let me know in the comment section, then I will do a video on that for you. But if I didn't get any response from you guys, then I'm not doing any video on it. And I've realized that a lot of people don't watch the video up to the end, they just watch somewhere, jump, they skip some parts, then watch it. If you're not even watching the video up to the end, you're not helping your girl to grow. Help me grow by watching at least 90% of my videos. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any mind-blowing video from me. On this channel, I teach you how to make simple hair growth product that you can make from with the ingredients in your kitchen. And also I teach you how to make oil that you buy very expensive in the market. If you've watched up to this moment, let me give you a recap. So we use cucumber, rosemary and ginger. After blending them, sieve it, then we added a bit of castor oil. So this is the hairspray idea I have for you today. Until I see you guys in my next video with another exciting idea. Bye.